here from Business Development Team. So here we work here to generate agreements each and every day. We get new clients, who come in for an admission at late night, evenings. We cannot predict any time here. Earlier, creating agreement was a manual process. We used to collect the details and everything, number, a lot of things would be there. Things would get messy at sometimes, but ever since we started using Zoho Creator, everything has become super easy for us. All clients' details like Aadhaar, PAN number, everything is a unique ID. It is sorted in a very easy way. It's not time consuming. Even if you go and check for the name, all the data and everything is like accessible in one point and one go. A very simple dashboard. Anybody can use this. We don't need any separate training or something for that. A complete ease solution. I would say it is a very good thing and it is helping us a lot. Yeah. Thank you so much.